Dogs are our link to paradise. They do not know evil or jealousy or discontent. To sit with a dog on a hillside on a glorious afternoon is to be back in Eden, where life is both innocent and uncomplicated. Milan Kundera, Czech novelist. Have you ever looked into your dog's soulful eyes and wondered what goes on inside that furry head? Dogs are more than just loyal companions. They're furry enigmas with surprising abilities and fascinating quirks. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible facts about dogs that will make you appreciate these amazing creatures even more. Number 1. Super sniffers. Decoding the world through scent. Imagine a world where every blade of grass tells a story, and every lamppost holds a newspaper. That's the reality for dogs. Their sense of smell is legendary, clocking in at about 10,000 times more powerful than ours. This incredible ability allows them to navigate their environment, identify other animals, and even detect human emotions through sweat and tears. But their sniffing skills go beyond smelling the neighborhood gossip. Did you know some specially trained dogs can detect diseases like diabetes and cancer with an accuracy that rivals medical tests? These medical detection dogs are changing lives, offering early diagnosis and hope for countless individuals. Number 2. The Great Paw Ability Problem Solvers. When canines get cerebral. We all know dogs are smart, but did you know they possess a unique problem-solving ability? They can actually recognize when they lack the information needed to solve a puzzle and actively seek out clues to fill the gaps. Next time your pup seems stuck trying to reach a treat, it's not just frustration. They're strategically assessing the situation and formulating a plan. Think about a dog facing a treat jar with a lid slightly ajar. They might nudge it with their nose, paw at it, or even try to climb on top. If none of these attempts work, a truly clever canine might look around for another object, like a nearby toy, that could be used to pry the lid open. This kind of ingenuity highlights their ability to think outside the box and adapt to new challenges. Number 3. Nature's built-in GPS. The mystery of the north-south poop. Ever wonder why your dog seems strangely drawn to a specific direction when it's time for their business? There's a scientific explanation for that. While the exact reason remains a bit of a mystery, some experts believe dogs align their bodies with the Earth's magnetic field when eliminating waste. Talk about going with the flow of the Earth's core. This theory is still being debated by scientists, but it adds another layer of intrigue to a seemingly mundane canine behavior. Perhaps future research will unlock the secrets behind this fascinating phenomenon. Number 4. Triple threat eyelids. Keeping those peepers protected. We all have eyelids, but dogs take things a step further with a third eyelid, called a nictitating membrane. This transparent eyelid acts like a built-in goggle, protecting their eyes from dust, debris, and even harsh sunlight. It's nature's way of ensuring your dog can see clearly during playtime adventures, whether they're chasing squirrels in the park or catching frisbees at the beach. Number 5. Sipping or slurping. The unconventional canine drinking technique. Picture this. Your dog approaches a water bowl, takes a deep breath, and slurps? While it might seem messy, that's actually the most efficient way for them to drink. Unlike humans who can create suction with their lips, dogs use a lap and scoop method, plunging their tongue into the water and rapidly flinging it back to create a little water fountain they can then swallow. It may not be the most graceful technique, but hey, it works. Next time you catch your dog slurping up water, remember, they're just following their natural instincts and maximizing their hydration efficiency. A bit of trivia. Did you know that petting a dog can actually lower your blood pressure and heart rate? If you have liked the video so far, please click the subscribe and share buttons. This will help the channel immensely. Now let's continue. Number 6. Dehydrated decoded. Reading the messages in doggy urine. Next time you're on a walk and encounter a message left by another canine, resist the urge to wrinkle your nose. For dogs, urine is a social media post packed with information. The scent reveals the dog's age, gender, health status, and even emotional state. It's a complex communication system that allows them to stay informed about the neighborhood and interact with other dogs without a single bark. Imagine being able to tell if another dog is playful, dominant, or feeling unwell just by sniffing a spot on the ground. That's the power of canine communication. Number 7. Seeing the world through colorful glasses, but maybe not all the colors. Ever wondered if your dog sees the world in the same vibrant hues you do? The answer is yes and no. Dogs can see colors, but their perception is different from ours. They have fewer cones, the light receptors responsible for color vision, compared to humans, resulting in a more muted color palette. Think of it like seeing the world through a vintage Instagram filter, with blues and yellows being the most prominent colors. However, this doesn't mean their world is any less beautiful. Dogs excel in seeing shades of gray and can detect even the slightest movements, making them fantastic hunters and watchdogs. Their superior night vision also allows them to navigate dimly lit environments with ease. So, while they might not appreciate the full spectrum of a sunset the way we do, they have their own unique way of experiencing the visual world. Number 8. Growling gauge. Sizing up the competition by sound alone. When two dogs meet, a symphony of growls and barks often erupts. But did you know these vocalizations aren't just about dominance? Believe it or not, dogs can actually estimate the size of another dog based solely on the sound of their growl. It's a clever way to assess potential threats and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Think about it from a dog's perspective. A deep, rumbling growl signifies a larger dog, while a high-pitched yip might come from a smaller, less intimidating opponent. By understanding these vocal cues, dogs can make informed decisions about how to interact with each other, promoting peaceful coexistence within the canine social hierarchy. Number 9. Sweaty paws, cool canines, the science behind wet footprints. Ever wonder why your dog leaves wet paw prints everywhere they go? It's not just because they love splashing in puddles, although some do. Dogs have sweat glands in their paws, and these glands become active when they get hot. This sweating helps regulate their body temperature, keeping them cool and comfortable on a hot day. Imagine a dog panting after a long walk. While panting helps cool them down through evaporation, sweating through their paws provides an additional layer of temperature control. It's a fascinating adaptation that allows dogs to stay active and playful even on the warmest days. Number 10. The power of connection. A bond beyond words. These 10 facts are just a paw print in the vast ocean of canine knowledge. From their superhero-like sense of smell to their secret language of growls and sniffs, dogs continue to amaze and intrigue us. But perhaps the most awe-inspiring discovery is the profound connection we share with these furry friends. Owning a dog is an adventure, a journey filled with slobbery kisses, muddy paw prints, and moments of pure, unadulterated joy. They teach us about patience, responsibility, and the simple pleasure of living in the moment. As you care for your canine companion, remember, you're not just providing them with a home. You're gaining a loyal confidant, a playful partner in crime, and a furry ambassador to a world experienced through wagging tails, wet noses, and boundless love. So, the next time you catch your dog gazing at you with those soulful eyes, remember the incredible creature by your side. They may not speak our language, but the love and loyalty they offer transcends words. Cherish the moments, embrace the adventures, and celebrate the enduring bond between humans and our canine companions. Did you enjoy the content? Please support the channel by clicking the subscribe and share buttons. This helps us continue creating informative and entertaining videos about the amazing world of dogs. Together, let's celebrate the special connection between humans and our furry best friends. After all, who wags their tail more, you when you see your dog, or your dog when they see you?